Next question, the word on Rav. Could Kavod Rav teach us what is the proper way to study Mesillas Yesharim?
I studied Mesillas Yesharim in another class on Thursday and Sunday. It's very interesting. So Mesillas Yesharim is very, very deep. Like, even though Ramchal said I did not come to teach you something new, but just to remind, but it's because of his humility. Maybe he was talking about to big tzaddikim. But we have to remember, we have to understand that this Mesillas Yesharim is a practical guide, practical, like self-help, right? But practical guide how to live. So you try to do like one page, whatever, like one piece, whatever it ends, this piece, right, in a time, maybe a few times. My approach is I read the paragraph, then I go back, read one sentence. If you have a commentary, I try to insert commentaries. So first I have a full picture, and then I go back and try to fill in with the commentaries, because many times these commentaries, they change their perspective like completely, like what exactly, and when you see that's what he meant, right? And remember, since it's very practical, it's not like some like esoteric book, like it has nothing to do with me, right? Who I am and who is this people. Ramchal said it's for everybody, right? So, and he said even if you're not going to go to the end of the ladder, it's like spiritual ladder. Which has 26 steps. So even you don't get to 20 step 23rd, but at least you're going to be on uprising, right? You're going to like on upcoming, and try to like internalize every chapter, every suggestion, whatever Ramchal says, whatever he warns not to do it, whatever he said. He's very, very practical. He said what can make a person fail in this with this character traits, and he lists all of the examples, and then you can learn for yourself. And in many examples, like I saw myself, like these challenges, Ramchal wrote specifically for me. You're going to see I saw me in this with these challenges, with these activities that I don't need, with these people who just wasting my time. Understand? So that they just need somebody to talk to. Okay, me personally, I tell everybody I don't need anybody to talk to. I like quiet. So sometimes when you have somebody comes to my house or so, I'm quiet. I just okay. So you want to talk? Find somebody else for yourself to talk. You understand? So again, we go chapter by chapter and try to internalize it. Ramchal is talking to you personally, to me personally, and try to learn and live by that. Not just read, but live by that. Right? And I would say it would be proper, if possible, to study with somebody else, but try not to discuss too much. So that's an issue of Chavrusa, right? Chavrusa is a study partner who is not very talkative, and try to stick to the topic as much as possible. So of course we can exchange the ideas, but these exchanges of ideas should not be more than 15% of the time. Okay, or if he does not understand, she doesn't understand, girls can learn together. There is no problem, right? So if she does not understand, but it should not be like telling the whole like life story that connect to this point. No, like something to the point, and we continue. And try to internalize, of course. It's amazing book. It helped me very, very much. I finished it only one time, but now that I think maybe we're in the middle of the book, right? Maybe 13th chapter, but right. So that's very, very powerful book. Very, like everything, whatever you need in life, it's in that book, for sure.